experimenting here with this grass tea fertilizer, I guess you want to call it. So started out with a coffee can full of grass clippings, packed them in there, soaked it in a bucket of water, about that much water. I ditch drained it off. So now we're gonna experiment. It says you're supposed to dilute it down, so we're gonna take a coffee can full of this grass water, and it's been soaking for about a day and a half. So we're just experimenting here. We're going to take, say that much of that. Start out roughly 50-50 mix. Just put that in the pump sprayer, and we're just experimenting. We're going to try a couple test spots with a 50-50 mix. We'll try a straight mix and see if it makes any difference. This is going to be our test plot area. We got some spots that sun with a lot of weeds, shade with some nice grass with little weeds. So we're just gonna experiment on both. All right, we have another tank mixed up. This is the same 50-50 ratio. We're going to try it here in some better grass in the shade. Okay, this batch is just straight out of the bucket. We did not dilute it any. We're not going to get carried away with this, just in case there actually is some nitrogen in it that it might burn, kill the yard, but I guess we're going to find out. That's the only way to experiment and learn, is try it. If it kills the yard, it kills the yard. We'll know not to do this again, or we'll know to dilute it. Okay, now we're going to go out here where the grass has been mowed, and we have a lot more weeds. Okay, that'll conclude the first part of this video. Again, this is just an experiment to see if there is any fertilizer value in making this grass tea solution out of just some old grass clippings. So I will follow up here shortly in a couple days, monitor the progress, see if there's any noticeable difference in the yard, or if it's, kills the yard. So